Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Shortcut video editor in your Windows 10 PC. So just go to any browser that you have, go to the Google and search in Google Shortcut video editor. After searching the Shortcut video editor, we will see this link shortcut.org here. So just click on the shortcut here. Then it will take you to the Shortcut official page here. Shortcut is a free open source video editor. So now you just have to click here the click to download. And now if you scroll down, you will see the current version here. So you have to download the latest version for your Windows. Now you can see there's two sites here. You can choose for FOSSAV here. Also you can download from GitHub here. Now you can see there's 64-bit Windows installer here and also portable zip file here and 32-bit and 32-bit zip folder here. So you have to choose the Windows installer here. So if you download the zip folder here, it will, if you have to then extract your folder with WinRAR here. So choose the installer here. And if you don't know which operating system you use, 64-bit or 32-bit, so just go to this PC here, right click on it, click on properties, and this will show you the system type here, which is mine here 64-bit here. So in your case, if you have 32-bit, you have to download the 32-bit or you have to download the 64-bit. So I'm going to download the 64-bit because my system is 64-bit here. So I'm going to choose the 64-bit Windows installer here. So just click on it, and it will show you the download option. So I'm just going to say file here to download this folder, and it will automatically start the download for me. Now you can see this is only 86.9 MB file, so it will download a exe file installer here. Now after finishing the download process, you just have to go to the folder where you have downloaded your installer file. In the download option, you can see the installer file is here, so double click on it to open the installer file. Now you just have to agree the license agreement here, click on I agree. Now choose where you want to install your Shortcut video editor. So just click on browse here and you can choose where you want to install here. So I'm going to choose local disk E here. So click OK and click next. Now if you want to make a create desktop shortcut icon, just tick mark here and click install here. Now it's going to take some time to install your video editing shortcut software. Now after finishing the installation process, just click close here, and now you can see there's a shortcut option here. Now just double click to open the video editor software here. So if I double click on it, now you can see the Shortcut video editing software is properly open here. So now just give a project name here, click start. Now you can edit your video with Shortcut video editor here. So Shortcut video editor is a free video editor software for Windows 10. So that's it guys, this is how you download and install Shortcut video editor in your Windows 10 device. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.